I want to remind us of a very famous story that we're all familiar with from our righteous predecessors. When Ja'far ibn Abi Talib radiallahu ta'ala an, when he was sent out to the battle of Mu'tah, when the Prophet alayhi salatu wasalam gave them instructions and said, as I make dua for you and you're setting out upon this journey, I want you to know that Zayd ibn Haritha is the one who will carry the flag of Islam. And if Zayd ibn Haritha was to fall, then Ja'far will pick up the flag and carry it. And if Ja'far was to fall, then Abdullah would be the one to carry the flag of Islam. So in that battle, actually it was Zayd ibn Haritha who was one of the first Muslims to fall. And so immediately Ja'far ibn Abi Talib, who is the older brother of Ali ibn Abi Talib, he actually picked up this flag. And he was able to dive deep into the hearts of the enemy. And as he was in the middle of them fighting right and left, we know that his right arm was cut off. And so then he passed the flag from there to his left arm. And then when that was cut off, he held the flag up with his teeth until he received so many stab wounds and was actually cut from the middle, that when they found him, they said he had over 72 wounds, but from the front, never from the back. What is the significance of this story? Many of us have become afraid. Many of us are looking and saying, Ya Allah, we're outnumbered. Ya Allah, we're outgunned. Ya Allah, we're outmanned. We're not looking through the eyes of Zayd ibn Haritha or Ja'far when they were looking at the enemy in front of them, over 200,000 more than them. And they said, you know what? They may look like they have the upper hand, but if Allah is on our side,